everyone, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. As promised, I told you guys I had an announcement to make, and I do. And some of you guys may already know, but we have reached 20,000 subscribers plus. And so I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you who have been faithful and have left comments on my videos, and very encouraging comments at that. I am going to give a $25 gift card to Home Goods. I will also be giving a gift card for this month of August, September, and October. So if you don't win this time, there will be 2 other times that you can win. So thanks so much again to everyone, to all of my returning subscribers and new subscribers. I could not have done this without you. So stay tuned until the end so that I can give you the details for the drawing. But now I want to share with you how I put together this Dollar Tree floral arrangement and tablescape. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this floral arrangement together, and so here are a few of the items that I will be using. I have some Dollar Tree candle holders, some Dollar Tree flowers, some tea light candles, and some greenery, and some berries from the Dollar Tree, and then pumpkins. And then this pumpkin here, or this gourd, it was from last year and I painted it silver. And then these 2 are from this year, and a metallic or a glittered pumpkin. And then I have this bucket that I'm going to use. And then I have some adhesive strips that I rolled into ball forms, and I am going to use these in place of hot glue. Okay, so first I'm going to start out with this candle holder from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start out with this one that's also from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is to adhere them together just to give a little bit more height, because this is going to go inside of my floral arrangement. And so let me go ahead and put the dots on, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I placed several little dots around the perimeter of the candle holder, and then I'm just going to place the tall one on top and just kind of press firmly. Now this is definitely a temporary fix. Like I said, I don't want to use hot glue, so I'm doing it this way. And you know, at the end of the evening when you're done, you can go ahead and take it apart. So it's pretty good on there. And then I'm also going to place some dots on the bottom of the candle holder and adhere it to the inside of the container so that it does not move around. Okay, so now it's on the bottom, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside of the container. Center it, and then just press down. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the smaller ones on the sides. Okay, so I'm going to start with the flowers. And like I mentioned to you guys before, if you don't have the color flower that you need, you can spray paint flowers. These are some hydrangeas that I spray painted, because of course there's no gray hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree, but you can take any color pretty much and spray paint them. And I used a silver metallic spray paint. Okay, so here are a few of the items that I will be using in the tablescape. So everything here is from the Dollar Tree except for the chargers, which you can get at the Dollar Tree. They have them in gold and silver. The only reason I did not get the Dollar Tree placemats is because I already had some. Mine came from the Goodwill and there was no need to buy them. But if you wanted to duplicate this tablescape, they are available. And then the other item I got was these glasses. Okay, so these came from Home Goods. Now they did cost $1. They were on clearance in the clearance aisle, and so I wanted to go ahead and use them on the tablescape, but I also have some glasses that I did get from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has some orange amber colored glasses, and if you're interested in seeing what the glasses look like, I will insert a picture of the glasses as well as the chargers. I would suggest, if you wanted something like that, to check online. Now, I don't know if you guys recognize the ribbon that I shared in my recent haul. I just took some of the ribbon and wrapped around this ready-to-go silverware that also came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and so I have a couple of runners that I got that I'm going to be using as placemats. And I have a couple of mirrors over here that I will be using for a runner. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. And someone asked about the dishes. They are gray. Someone thought that they were white, but they are a very light gray. And you can see when you put white next to it, the gray shows up a little better. Okay, so you may notice that the arrangement is in a lighter palette, and that's because I switched out the pumpkins and the greenery for a lighter shade, and then I added some lighter flowers. This just goes better with my decor in the dining room. Okay guys, so I realized that I like the lighter green leaf on the floral stem much better than the darker one, and so I just replaced it with a little bush that I got from Walmart. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I wanted to give you guys a simple and budget-friendly tablescape using mostly Dollar Tree products, and I think I accomplished my goal. So to enter the drawing, you must be a subscriber. You need to leave a comment below and say 20K and more. I will automatically enter you into the drawing. I will leave the drawing open until Sunday midnight. I will make the winner announcement Monday, September 2nd. And don't forget, there will be 2 more opportunities to win.